I lost 180 pounds, and during maintenance, some of the weight came back. This series documents losing 20 pounds realistically without panic, punishment, or starting over. How y'all doing? It's Monday. It's cold out here, but I got my jacket on, and I hear jackhammers down the way. I have on these boots. Not the best to walk in, but I need to move, so I'm going to move. Hold on just a second. It was suggested by somebody that I turn the camera around to see me when I'm walking. Well, this is what you get. Hey, how you doing? I ain't always looking too swift, but that's all right. We're going to make this work. I'll have to, maybe I could bring my little stand or something, like something with a stick, because it's kind of hard to hold my arm way out there. And so y'all are just going to get this today. So how you doing? I feel like I need to zip up my coat because it's like hang on just a second. Okay, I got it. I wanted to zip it up because it's like kind of flippy flapping open. Yeah, how's this? Oh, I'll do it like this. We'll be like a real influencer. Guys, we need to talk. I'm just kidding. Anyway, so how's your day? It's Monday. Getting out here. I'm moving. I don't do anything I don't do any walking on the weekends. That's my days off. Yeah, that's my days off. Had a good day yesterday with Judy. We played cards, that was so fun. My attention span, I think I told you all this yesterday, but my attention span is like this long. So just sitting and talking is like torture. So it worked out really well. We played a game, Spite and Malice, and so we had a good visit doing that. Today, so far so good. It's like 10:45 and my stomach, it's growling, but I always make myself wait until 11 because let me tell you, if I ate every time my brain thinks I'm hungry, I'd be eating 24/7. So because my hunger signals are broken. So I know some people have that issue too. I don't have hunger signals. I mean, I do, but I don't wait for them. So I don't know. I don't really. Yeah, I just don't. So that's something I would love to try to focus on sometime. But I'm not there yet. And that's okay. So that's why I have myself eat at scheduled times. Because, if I ate by when my brain thinks I'm hungry, I'd be eating at about 9 o'clock in the morning every day. Then I'd eat about 11, 12. And then around 3. And then again about 6. So, yeah, it's definitely chilly. I'm going to set this up a little higher. I should have brought out my my thing. Look, they got a big pile of something. They're doing something. They were doing construction down the way down there. So, down there. But anyway, so how are you doing? It's Monday morning for me. So it's Wednesday for you. How's your week going? Are you focusing on doing something for your personal health? Are you focusing on doing something, for your mental health or physical health? It all ties together. They always, in the Bible, mind, body, and spirit. Well, hang on, the truck's coming. So your mind is your mental health, and your body, well, obviously, it's, that's your body, and your spirit, that's your Jesus. So are you doing anything to improve any of those 3 things? Maybe it's just one thing, or maybe you're just surviving. Lord, I've been there plenty of times just trying to survive. So what's going on with you today? Are you just surviving, or are you working to improve something specific? It's okay if you're not. Just know that, You can't always be working on something. Sometimes you're just surviving. I definitely know that. I think I'm going to turn around here at this tree. We're going to go to that tree. And here, we're going to turn. The other day, I walked to that white sign over there. Hopefully you can see it. I'll show you again when we get over here. It's kind of wet and muddy out here. Not all the place muddy, but in certain places. Hang on, we're almost to that white sign. But yeah, I think I don't know, maybe I should get like one of those selfie sticks. Oh, there's somebody else walking up there. Hope it ain't the boogeyman. But anyway, it could be somebody from work that just went down a little further than what I do, going a different direction. So I am going to definitely keep talking to you all. So there, that's the white sign that I'm talking about. We've been going 5 minutes. And anyway, we're just going to keep on talking. And so that's what I know. So yeah, so are you working on something for your physical health, your mental health? Are you working on something for yourself? Are you trying to improve yourself lately? What you been up to lately? Hang on just a second. Yeah, so what you doing? So today I'm just moving. So I'm working on my physical health, but I'm always working on my spiritual health. You know, I'm always trying to talk to God. I know yesterday I told y'all I need to start letting him in and to some of those dark corners inside my heart. But I don't think that's something I need to try to think about at work. I don't need to be boo-hooing at work or mad or whatever. But that's something I want to do spiritually, is start letting the Holy Spirit into places that I have kept under lock and key, not necessarily invited him into. So, and sometimes I forget to bring him to work with me too. Well, I mean, I know he's always with me, but I forget to talk to him about work when I'm stressed out about somebody. Sometimes I forget to be like, all right, Lord, hang on, there's a truck coming. You're awfully close. Anyway, sometimes I forget to say, Lord, help me be nice to these people. They're getting on my nerves, but Lord, help me be nice. So anyway, well, that's that. So we've gone down and I'm working my way back, and next thing will be time to eat. What time is it right now? Oh, good, it's 10:58. By the time I get in there and wash my hands and heat up my food, I'll meet you in the car next. Okay, I'll see you in a minute. Bye. Did y'all ever do the breath check? I was getting in here. I'd taken a taste of my lunch already, and I was going, you know, where you blow out your mouth and up your nose. I heard somebody refer to that as a French smoke. We used to do that whenever I was a smoker. Whenever we thought we were being cool, we go, and you know, kind of push it out of our mouth and up our nose. Anyway, but yeah. So I was just like, I got in, I was like, okay, yeah, no, that don't stink. Come on now. Come on. I know I ain't the only one. Obviously I ain't, because that lady was talking about it the other day on the TikTok. All right, what we got? Well, let me tell you. My calories are kind of low for lunch, so I have, I think, 2 or 3 more days of the 80-20 that I had cooked up in the crock pot. And then we're going to switch over to eating, like at nighttime, I'll cook up some 80-20 and I'll divide it between that night and the next day. So with the fat already added. So we're going to switch over to that in a couple days. So anyway, so we'll see what we think of that. Because my point of that is going to be cook it and then divide it out and then divide the fat between the both of them instead of, you know, having to add fat back. By the way, I got my bib on. I definitely needed a bib. I got white on and I've got marinara. So it's 180 grams of ground beef, 50 grams of Rao's. So what I did, it's at the lower end of it. Sting brings world tour to St. Louis. Something does. Anyway, so my Rao's, I had about that much left in the jar, and I added about that much left of water. So I shake it up because then I get that flavor on every bite, just like I do my dressings. So while it was 100 grams of Rao's, it was 50% water. So 50 grams of Rao's, 1 slice of my fat-free cheese. I still have about a whole package left of it. And then 75 grams of my cottage cheese. So let's give her a taste. I gotta be very careful. Be careful, Terry, because it's very full. Hang on, I'll let you look at it. Be careful. Be careful. All right, let's take a bite. It's a little too soupy, but that's all right. I'll do it like a soup. I'll go like this. And come on, how far down are you? Now, one more little bite here. Now you see why I have to wear a bib, because I'm not very much like an adult. Huh? How you doing? I'll do that after we're done. Like I said, I'm having a good day. Took that little stroll. That felt nice. Nothing big planned today. Nothing big planned this evening. Yeah, nothing exciting to tell y'all. Oh, yes. I'm lying to your face, ain't I? I just bold-faced lied. I go see my doctor at 3 o'clock. We're going to talk to her about my sinuses. I'm really excited. We'll see what she says. She may say it's a no-go. I'll let you know after that. But, all right. My gosh, I've already been talking 11 minutes. I'm sorry. There will be macros at the end of this, so hang tight. Hang tight. You have to deal with all my jibber-jabber. Y'all, I didn't realize just how few calories my lunch was until I got it plugged in. Whew. Hi, how you doing? Look, don't look over here. Look at it. Ain't that awful? Don't look over here at the place I'm showing you. Anyway, I've kind of got stuff gathered for me to take to my friend's Saturday. I'm not 100% sure if it's going to be this Saturday. Her uncle passed away. So, I know there'll be things going on with that. So, it may not be till next week. So, we'll just play it by ear and see how it goes down. But anyway, so yeah. But I've just been kind of collecting things. And I got it right there in a stack ready to go. Mom gave me some newspaper, so that'll be a good thing. Anyway, yeah, I didn't realize just how low calorie my lunch was, which makes sense to why I'm a little shaky and hungry. I talked to the doctor, and she wrote the script, or called it in. So, whenever they text and say it's ready, well, I don't know if it, you never know what pharmacies have in and not in and what they have to order out. I don't know if this is a special something or another. I'm going to be so pissed if this is like a $500 medication. So if I don't get it, we'll know why. But anyway, so yeah, so when Walmart, I like the service that Walmart has because it'll text you and say your script is ready, and it'll give like a few letters of it, and it'll say the dollar amount. So that way, before you go, you know how much you're paying. So since my lunch was so low calorie, y'all know I ain't missing out no calories. I mean, for real. So what I have is, I think it's like not quite, maybe it's 300 grams of the ground beef, 4 eggs, and a slice of cheese and some bacon bits. You just have to look at the macros at the end because I don't remember. But yeah, so this is my supper tonight. And so it's gonna be numb in my tum, baby. Oh, so it is good because I've already taken a bite, didn't I? Oh, sorry, I'm a little bit. I'm excited. I'm excited about trying the new medicine. Again, unless it's like $500. All right, carrot cake is my creamy. I really like this one. Sometimes I've had some and I'm like, yeah, this is good. But then you eat, by the time you get like almost to the bottom of it, it's like, that's little. It's not that it's gross, but it's just like not my favorite. I like this one. Like eggnog is delicious, but it's so sweet that after you get about here, you're like, yeah, I'm tired of this. And ginger bread. It was gingerbread, not ginger. But gingerbread, it's so strong, tastes really like a gingerbread cookie that there again, you know, I didn't dislike gingerbread cookies, but I couldn't eat like 10 of them like I could a regular cookie. So by the time I get down a little bit further into the thing, it's like, okay, I'm done with this one. But not carrot cake. There's some good stuff, Maynard. So, that's it. Macros at the end. I love you guys. Bye. Okay, hit pause if you want to. Each of these are 10 seconds. That is my morning coffee that I have every morning. I ran out of milk, so hopefully I'll remember to take the milk off tomorrow. That is my lunch that I had, as well as my afternoon coffee. And coming up next is my supper. That's everything I had for supper tonight. And then you'll see I have that heavy whipped cream. I eat that in the evening time with my pupper dogs. And hang on. There's my full macros for the day. 1567 calories, 200 protein, 19 net carbs, and 70 grams of fat.